Hi, my name is Ivan Kisel. I'm discuss about labor rights and advocacy in the Philippines. Here's my title, The Unsolved Crimes and Unbroken Spirit. Table of Contents, Labor-Related Incidents in Filipino Labor Leaders. This is the one of the labor-related incidents in the Philippines. The Luisita massacre arose from a prolonged labor dispute between farmers and sugar workers, and the Conjuangco family focusing on wage, land, and working conditions on November 16, 2004. Thousands of striking farmers gathered at Hacienda Luisita gates, leading to a violent confrontation with police and military forces. The tragic events result in the death of at least seven farmers, with hundreds injured and arrested, sparkling demand agrarian reform. The massacre highlighted critical issues surrounding land ownership and labor rights, emphasizing need for government accountability. The Hacienda Luisita massacre remains pivotal moment in labor history, inspiring continued advocacy for workers' rights in the Philippines. Filipino labor leader Rolando Calando Olilla, a prominently labor leader, was assassinated on November 12, 1986, with his body found showing signs of torture. Olilla was a passionate advocate for wage and better labor conditions, significantly impacting the labor movement. He played a vital role in organizing strikes and protests against oppressive labor policies, uniting workers for their rights. His associated become a powerful symbol of the risks faced by labor activities, highlighting the struggle for justice. Olilia legacies continue to inspire labor movements, emphasizing the importance of fighting for workers' rights and justice.